Hi everyone. So today we are going to talk about very basic of AI agents, how AI agents used to work in real time. We'll start with a simple example of a Gmail inbox. As we all understand, generally we categorize the email box based on the different categories that suits our requirements so that we can we can easily classify those. So try to use a very simple agent provider, Zapier. So if you go to zapier.com, you'll come to a screen where we'll see something like this. To start with, this is my older example that I had done. So we see we can simply come here and we can create a new agents. When we create a new agent, we already have predefined templates. So this is the stage where we are practically in the agents. This might be very basic one, but we'll try to leverage how a Gmail will be used. So we have already the template defined by Zapier. So let's see, we'll use inbox categorizer. So we'll be using that template. The only thing is we need to pre-authorize our Gmail account so that agent can access that. So I already had, once you select on the create, it will ask you for authorization. You have to just log in and we can see it here how it works. Yeah. So as of now, we are keeping it simple. We are not adding any tools. We'll take in the forthcoming discussions. For now, if you see the agent preview, so what it will do, it will basically go and if we have a provision to preview the agent and also test. So when we click test on the agent, it will categorize what messages I'm getting in my email. And now if you see, it's trying to connect to my email account. So if you go in the past when I had executed the agent, this is how my inbox used to look like. Yeah, this is prior to categorization. If you see here, I have a category like social, update, promotion, forums. This is the only category. But when I use the agent, I've already, in the template, we already have the classification being done. So here we are just using the basic predefined native offerings given by this template. And when we run the agent, only thing we need to do just to log in. No coding is required. For example, anyhow, in this case, we don't need any coding, but this is a very basic example in real time how we can see that working. So as I've shown earlier, I had a category like social, update, forum, and when I run this agent, I get the categories like priority, to do emails, work, and work emails. Now here, if you see, since I'm using the free version, so there's a limit of categorization of 10 mails. So using from the template itself of the Zapier, I was able to categorize the mail into different categories. To start with, the important email. So category is being done based on the security alert I got it. Then personal was when I created my account. So it was solely for authorization whenever we created an account. So it came into personal. Then there was one priority. If you talk about the priority mail, again, it was important as well as priority. Then I had a to-do. Now to-do mail is like, since I have enrolled for one of the session that is going as a hackathon, and it's not an hackathon but as a workshop of 2-day continuation. So tomorrow I have another call. So this is in the to list. See, we have one work mail. It's being from my older. It keeps on I keeps on getting these notifications. So I have got work mails, Zapier high risk. So these are also related to work. So these are done by the categorization. In the next video, we'll try to do the same by customizing the template. This is a very short video just to give an introduction. Like Zapier is one of the relevant tools that we can use for free, though there are some limitation. So we have just tried with one of the basic template. However, we have another option to categorize with the Google Doc, SEO, and optimization, SEO analyzer. We'll try with the relevant agents in the forthcoming discussion. For now, this is what I had to show. Thank you, everyone.